This is the InvestEngine landing page. And if you're serious about building passive income, this is where you need to start. A stocks and shares ISA. Mine is 15 ETFs across 3 tiers, all compounding tax-free. I've got the full breakdown of their offering right here. All the amount of ETFs. Remember, no individual stocks, but funds and ETFs. And if you open your account through my link below, you get up to £200 added to your portfolio for free. Now, you want to see your money growing and compounding. Listen to the full description just for you.
What if you paid 0 platform fees on your investments? Not 0.25% like Vanguard, not 0.15% like Fidelity. 0. InvestEngine is the UK investment platform that's turning heads, and for good reason. With access to over 700 ETFs and absolutely no platform fees on DIY portfolios, more of your money stays invested, compounding quietly in the background. Already using Trading 212 or Vanguard? InvestEngine gives you the same low-cost ETF investing, but with auto-rebalancing built in, so your portfolio stays on track without you lifting a finger. And if you're just getting started, don't worry, you can choose a fully managed portfolio. Experts handle everything, or go DIY when you're ready. Either way, you're in control. Open a stocks and shares ISA, a general investment account, or even a business account. Set up automatic investing from as little as you like, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. InvestEngine holds a 4.6 on Trustpilot and is FCA regulated, so your money is in safe hands. Stop paying fees that eat into your future. Start investing smarter with InvestEngine today.